Install foiling and laths after strapping has been completed. Keep in mind that the Type S drip edge facilitates foil installation. Vapor-permeable membranes available on the market should be used for foiling. After installing the first lower sheet of foil, begin installing laths. Laths will enable the installation of the remaining sheets of foil. Start by mounting a counter lath. Cut to size to allow an overlap in the foil. After mounting the counter laths, begin mounting the laths. Remember to maintain the appropriate distance between the laths. The distance between the first and second lath should be 11 inches. The distance between the third, fourth, and successive laths should be 13.8 inches. Climb on the laths to install further sheets of foil and laths.